Assalamualaikum. Today we want to present about design for manufacturing and assembly, project robot car. My name is Athirah Azahar and my group member name is Arhamni Nasrun from class DRP 4A. For introduction, design for manufacture and assembly DFMA is a design approach that focuses on ease of manufacture and efficiency of assembly. By simplifying the design of a product, it is possible to manufacture and assemble it more efficiently in the minimum time and at a lower cost. DFA should be considered at all stages of the design process, but especially at the early stage. Design team should give serious consideration and need DFA to effectively analyze the ease of assembly of the product or sub-assemblies it designs. For background product, kids are fickle and thus it's easy for parents to throw down a ton of money on seemingly great toys that quickly end up in the trash after they are unwrapped and tossed aside. Instead, look at the ever-evolving robot toys that you can get for your aspiring inventor. The best robot for kids introduce them to STEAM concepts, activate their inner maker, and even teach them coding and robotics for kids. For objective, analyze the design for assembly efficiency, critique the design from an assembly point of view, redesign the part for improved assembly operation, quantify the benefit of the redesigned part, describe the influence cost involved in product cost estimation. This is original design. This is list of parts for original design. Critique of each product. For body robot, function to cover the top surface of the robot, strengthen the body of the robot as the main point of the part before joining the other part, easy to combine. For car door, function to forming the side of the car, for strength or weakness acts as a car door and also a robot leg to move, easy to combine. Robot type to connect between body and robot leg, for strength or weakness to make the robot can stand up and move easy to combine. For car tire combined with sport rim. For strength to move the car and use as a robot shelter, it is easy to combine. For screw to linear motion and a torque rotational force to the linear force and to connect the part of the robot. For strength to further strengthen the robot part to prevent them from disintegrating. For robot hand, acts as a robot wrist to perfect the shape of robot. For the strength to perfect the shape of robot and to complete body. For robot arm to connect hand part move. For car door and robot leg to forming the side of the car and to make the robot car move well. For robot leg to forming the robot leg as for car roof. For strength forming the leg part of the robot and also as part of the car roof. For body and head robot, being the body and head part of the body robot as behind part of body robot. For strength, the body of the robot as the main point of the part before joining the other part, and easy to combine. Bumper car needs to connect with bonnet to make the front part. The strength acts as a car bumper and in addition protect the robot at the bottom of the car, and it is easy to combine. For robot head, mask to cover the head part of the robot, strength to shape the robot face more clearly, and it is easy to combine. For bonnet need to connect with bumper to make the front part. For strength, as a car bumper and in addition protect the robot at the bottom of the car and to shaping a perfect car. For sport rim, acts as a sport rim to the tire, and the strength is easy to combine.
Original part, part 1, thickness 5 mm, size 45 mm, alpha 360 degrees, beta 360 degrees, total 720 degrees, manual handling, one hand, part easy to grasp and manipulate. The code is 30, time is 1.5. The manual insertion, part secure immediately after insertion, easy to align. The code is 38 and the time is 6. For part 2, thickness is 10 mm, size is 45 mm, alpha is 360 degrees, beta is 360 degrees, and the total is 720 degrees. Manual handling, the code is 30 times 1.95, and manual insertion, code is 30 and the time is 2. Next is part 3. Thickness is 10 mm, size is 30 mm, alpha 360 degrees, beta 360 degrees, total 720 degrees. Manual handling, code 30 time 1.95. Manual insertion, code 30 time 2. Part 4, thickness 7 mm, size 20 mm, alpha 360 degrees, beta 0 degrees, total 360 degrees. Manual handling, code 10 time 1.5. Manual insertion, code 30 time 2. Next, part 5, thickness is 4 mm, size 7 mm, alpha 360 degrees, beta 0 degrees, total 360 degrees. Manual handling, code 11 time 1.8. Manual insertion, code 00 time 1.5. For part 6, thickness is 10, size is 17, alpha 360 degrees, beta 360 degrees, total 720 degrees. Manual handling, code 30 time 1.95. Manual insertion, code 30 time 2. Next, part 7, thickness 8 mm, size 20 mm, alpha 360 degrees, beta 0 degrees, alpha and beta 360 degrees. Manual handling, code 10 time 1.5. Manual insertion, code 30 time 2. Part 8, thickness 10 mm, size 60 mm, alpha 360 degrees, beta 360 degrees, the total 720 degrees. Manual handling, code 30 time 1.95. Manual insertion, code 30 time 2. Next, part 9, thickness 13 mm, size 40 mm, alpha 360 degrees, beta 360 degrees, total 720 degrees. Manual handling, code 30 time 1.95. Manual insertion, code 38 time 6. Part 10, thickness 5 mm, size 65 mm, alpha 360 degrees, beta 360 degrees, total 720 degrees. Manual handling, code 30 time 1.5. Manual insertion, code 38 time 6. Part 11, thickness 10 mm, size 30 mm, alpha 360 degrees, beta 180 degrees, the total 540 degrees. Manual handling, code 20 time 1.8. Manual insertion, code 38 time 6. Part 12, thickness 10 mm, size 10 mm, alpha 360 degrees, beta 360 degrees, total 720 degrees. Manual handling, code 31, time 2.25. Manual insertion, code 30, time 2. Part 13, thickness 10 mm, size 60 mm, alpha 360 degrees, beta 180 degrees, total 540 degrees. Manual handling, code 30, time 1.5. Manual insertion, code 30 time 2. Part 14, thickness 50 mm, size 3 mm, alpha 360 degrees, beta 0 degrees, total 360 degrees. Manual handling,
code 30 time 1.5. For manual insertion, code 30 time 2. Part 14, thickness 15 mm, size 3 mm, alpha 360 degrees, beta 0 degrees, alpha plus beta 360 degrees, manual handling code 10, time 1.5, manual insertion code 30, time 2.
Estimate assembly time for original design. This is design for assembly worksheet, original design. For design efficiency, we get 17.68. This is redesign of the product. We combine sport rim and tire. For manual handling, the code is 10, time 1.5. For manual insertion, for code 30, time 2. For part 2, we combine front and back body robot with head and also robot mask. For part 3, we combine bonnet and bumper car. This is estimate assembly time for new design. And the design for assembly worksheet for new design, we got the design efficiency 34.48. For determine cost required, for the total of the salaries, equipment rental and rent factory, we got 98,000. For total variable cost, hourly wage, raw material, and utilities cost, 22,800.
We can calculate the operating break-even point in sales dollar by simply multiplying the break-even point in units by the price per unit. We got F 72,000 ringgit, V 6 ringgit 26 cent, for P 15 ringgits. For the formula is F per 1 minus V per P, and we got RM 123,569.79. Next, calculate break-even point in unit. We can find the operating break-even in unit by simply solving for X. So the formula is F per P minus V. We got F RM 72,000, V RM 6 ringgit 26 cent, and the P 15 ringgit. And the total we got is 8,238 units. Next, this is break-even chart. For TR, we got 15 ringgit. For VC, we got 6 ringgit 26 cent. For FC, we got 72,000. And for unit, we got 8,238. For discussion, the old design for design efficiency is 34.48. Assembly time 152.65. Assembly cost 0.213. The total number of the part is 37. For new design, we got for design efficiency 70.68. Assembly time 95.7. Assembly cost 0.115. And the total number of the part is 24. The total of design efficiency is 52.16. For this assembly time 248.35. Assembly cost 0.328. The total number of the part 37.24. The chart 11.1 design efficiency for old and new design. And this chart 11.2 assembly time for old and new design. For chart 11.3 assembly cost ringgit Malaysia for old and new design. And chart 11.4 total number of part for old and new design. That's all from us. Thank you.